Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about ImgSEEK and how to browse your files. The first thing that we're going to look at is how to view the files as just a whole. Each of the files will be stored under different volumes. As you can see here, this is local file system. The file system's the default one that's stored, and any files that you load will load into this by default. As you can see, I've already got a whole lot of files loaded. The way that this works is you've got your volume name, then you've got the complete directory to each of your images. Now, as you can understand, this is just in C drive /photos. Now, you can do all sorts of things with this. Most of it you'll find when you right click on an image. Most of these will be self-explanatory. Things that you might not understand are edit metadata. That's just all the parameters and information associated with the image. Show groups is the groups that this image is associated with. Add to batch. Anytime that you want to make a whole lot of changes to many different files, you can go add to batch, and then you'll click on the next one, add that to batch, and then you make bulk changes. Transform image, obviously. Move to group will we'll put a copy of this into one of your groups under the group tab. I'll tell you about that in a second. And copy to another directory actually changes that on the computer. And of course, yeah, the rest should be self-explanatory. To view each of these images, just click on them and it will display it down here. Now what you can do, you can create a new volume list by clicking on some blank space and clicking new volume. Now you can call it whatever you like. Once again, I'm going to call it blah just to be simple. Now at the moment you can't do anything with that unless you go to the add tab, which I've already talked about, and then you can add the images in. The next bit of information is the groups tab. Groups you can customize however you like. It's very easy to create new groups. Okay, we'll call this hello, and then you can add images between and swap between just by simply going move to group, clicking the group you want to move it to, and clicking the tick. Now you can see that we've got a new one, and you can just keep swapping them around. It's really quick and easy to do. Now when you click on the group as a whole, you'll see this will, there you go, once you right click and refresh, it'll show all the images in that group. Now once again, if you want to view individual images, just click on the individual image and it will show down the bottom. You can just as easily delete a group by right clicking on the group and remove group. Next tab is the system. This is just the equivalent of a file browser where you can go through and view any images you want with whatever folders you want to have a look at. Once again, I've just got all mine put in the photos folder, just quick and easy to find. And then you've got your similarity tab, which creates a new group based on features that you'd like. The threshold will set how strict it is in searching for images. So the file name 18 is obviously quite low, so it'll just pick up all these, obviously because it's got 2s in them. And you can change this and it'll become more or less strict.